Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope this new year brings joy and all of God's blessings and protection to us all. Amen. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell button so you do not miss any of my new videos. I make juice and food videos here on YouTube, so join me and let's cook and juice together. So I wanted to start the year on a very healthy note, so I am going to be making cucumber juice today. Cucumbers are high in nutrients and low in calories, and most importantly, they contain so many vitamins and antioxidants. They're like 95% water and a clean way to stay hydrated. So I have 4 big cucumbers here, 1 lime, raw natural honey, and I'm going to be using my juicer. So I'm just going to start by peeling the cucumbers. Now these are not seedless cucumbers, they have seeds. You can also use English or seedless cucumbers. The only thing is you may not need to peel off all the skins. So after I peel off the skins, I de-seed them, cut them into smaller sizes, rinse them, and then we're ready to juice. Okay, let's just fast forward this. Okay, so then we're done, guys. They're rinsed and clean, and we're ready to juice. So it's that easy, guys. I'm just going to put them one at a time in my juicer. Okay, my small juice cup is full. I'm just going to pour the juice into my blender, or you can use any container you have. I just have my blender on hand, so I'm going to pour it in my blender. And I continue juicing. Okay, we're all done with the cucumbers. I'm going to pour the rest into the blender, and then I'm going to move on to my lime. I just have 1 lime. I cut that open, de-seed, and I'm going to squeeze some of my lime juice into my cucumber mixture. Mix that properly, and I'm then going to add my raw honey. Now guys, I just add honey to taste. You don't need to, you can just drink the juice as is. After I add my honey, I mix properly. And voila guys, my cucumber juice is ready. So refreshing, easy peasy. So guys, I hope you checked out my last video on chocolate banana smoothie. If not, go check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box. So guys, here is cucumber juice, healthy and so refreshing. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao!